Alright, today I'm going to be using these little white mushrooms, and make sure to wash them because they do seem to have a little bit of dirt on there. And so we're going to deep fry some. Okay, they're coated in the batter. We'll fry them up. My eldest is vacuuming, so pardon the noise. So these are some of the ingredients for the sauce. I just wanted you to see what it looks like before I start cooking it up. You got like cane sugar in there, cornstarch, chili flakes. I put some garlic powder, and then soy sauce, a little bit of water. Then I have this organic soy sauce, okay, less sodium because sometimes it can get too salty. And then I use this right here, okay, has the juice in it, so that really helps. Okay, just wanted you to see. Okay, I've got the cauliflower here, and then I already chopped up the yellow bell peppers and the red onions. Looks mighty pretty. This sauce thickens up fast, okay? So keep that in mind. Mashallah. The batter absorbs the sauce really well. The mushrooms are nice and tender. It's a wonderful meal. You can serve it over some noodles or rice today. I'm not going to have any rice, but this is sufficient for lunch. Flavor impeccable. Hopefully you can get inspired as well. Have a great day.